Lesson 6, Initial F, Final F, and Number 6. To write initial F, use the left hand ring and middle fingers to depress the T and P keys together. So initial F is initial T and initial P. Okay, let's practice writing initial F. Ready, start. F, F, F. Home position. 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 Okay, a little bit faster. F, F, F. Home position. 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 Okay, a little bit faster this time. F, F, F. Home position. 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 All right, let's proceed to practice writing initial B, D, and F. Okay, so we are talking of initial B, D, and F. So these letters are on the initial side of the keyboard. Okay, let's start. B, D, F. Home position. D, F, B. Home position. F, D, B. Home position. D, B, F. Home position. F, B, D. Home position. B, D, F. Home position. D, F, B. Home position. F, D, B. Home position. D, B, F. Home position. F, B, D. Home position. B, D, F. Home position. D, F, B. Home position. F, D, B. Home position. D, B, F. Home position. F, B, D. Home position. All right, that's it for initial F. Now let's proceed to final F. Write final F with the right hand index finger. As you practice the following vowels and vowel combinations, avoid looking at the keyboard chart. So it's time to avoid looking at the keyboard chart. Final F, final F, final F, home position. 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 Now let's practice writing final B, D, and F. Okay, dictation practice. Ready, start. Final B, final D, final F, final B, final D, final F, final D, final F, final B, home position. Final F, final D, final B, home position. Final D, final B, final F, home position. Final F, final B, final D, home position. Final B, final D, final F, home position. Final D, final F, final B, home position. Final F, final D, final B, home position. Final D, final B, final F, home position. Final F, final B, final D, home position. Final B, final D, final F, home position. Final D, final F, final B, home position. Final F, final D, final B, home position. Final D, final B, final F, home position. Final F, final B, final D, home position. Right? Let's practice the words. Okay. Dictation practice. Ready? Start. Babe, beef, bead, dad, fad, fed, bad, bed, dab, deed, fade, feed, again, babe, beef, bead, dead, fed, fad, bad, bed, dab, deed, fade, feed. Okay, let's have it a little bit slower. Babe, beef, bead, dead, fad, fed, bad, bed, dab, deed, fade, feed. Okay, faster this time. Babe, beef, bead, dead, fad, fed, bad, bed, dab, deed, fade, feed. All right, let's proceed to number 6. To write the number 6, use the index finger of the right hand to depress the crack between the final F and the number bar. Make sure to depress both key and bar at the same time. Immediately return to home position. Check your notes to make sure that the numbers appear clearly and accurately. It is important to depress the number bar with the letter quickly, firmly, and accurately. If you depress the number bar alone, you get nothing. If you depress the final F key alone, you get the letter F. However, if you depress the number bar and the final F key together, then you get the number 6. Alright, let's practice writing number 6. Dictation practice, ready, start. 6, 6, 6. Home position. 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 All right. Number 66. To write the number 66, simply depress the 6 twice in a row. Practice writing 66 by writing the 6 twice and returning to home position. Do not return to home position between each 6. Okay? Combining two digits numbers. In general, numbers in sequential order may be written in one stroke at the same time. For example, we have 34 or 67. Numbers out of sequential order must be written in separate strokes. We have already written two numbers that are not in sequential order in separate strokes. So we have numbers 55 and 66. Now that you can write the numbers 5 and 6, you can now write the two-digit numbers 55, 56, 65, and 66. Again, for 34 or 67, we can write it at the same time or simultaneously. But for 56, but for 55, 66, 65, then we will write the numbers in two stroke or separately. Now we have here practice dictation of numbers. Okay. 55, 56, 65, 66. Again, 55, 66, 55, 66, 65, 66. Home position. For 55, it's two strokes. 56, it's one stroke because it's sequential in order. 65, it's two strokes. And 66, still two strokes. So we will write the number 56 in one stroke using the left thumb on the A and the right index finger on the crack between the final F and the number bar. Okay, so again, your left thumb on the vowel A, your right hand index finger on the crack between the final F and the number bar. So that's how we write number 56. Depress the keys at the same time. You should see the number 56 in your notes. Next, write the number 65 in two strokes by depressing the 6 in the first stroke. First, you press 6. Then depress the 5 in the second stroke. Return to home position after writing the two-stroke set. In other words, return to home position after writing the number 65. So you write 6 and then 5 and then home position. All right, let's practice. Don't forget to depress the keys quickly and accurately. Do not rest on the keys and be sure to review and avoid looking at the keyboard chart this time. Okay, practice writing this two digits number. Dictation practice. Ready, start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. Home position. 55. Home position. 56. Home position. 55. Home position. 56. Home position. 55. Home position. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. Home position. 65, 66, 65, 66, 65, 66. Okay, so we have a theory rule. Numbers dictated in sequential order may be written simultaneously, and numbers dictated out of sequential order must be written in separate strokes. So let's take note of that theory rule. That's it for lesson 6. Thank you.